A force F vector is equal to V vector cross A vector is exerted on a particle in addition to the force of gravity, where V vector is the velocity of the particle and A vector is a constant vector in the horizontal direction. With what minimum speed a particle of mass m be projected so that it continues to move undeflected with a constant velocity. Now I am going to assume a particle which is going to be at the origin. The weight of this particle acts vertically downwards mg, which is going to be acting in the y dash axis. The unit vector acting in this direction is minus j vector. We know that another force is acting on this particle, that is F vector is equal to V vector cross A vector. Now we are going to project this particle. Project means we are going to throw this particle. So the force on this particle will be acting upwards. F vector is equal to V vector cross A vector. It is given in that question that A vector is acting in the horizontal direction, that is x axis. So A vector is acting along x axis. Now with what minimum speed the particle moves so that it is not deflected. In order that the particle move without deflection, the net force acting on this particle must be 0. So what are the forces acting on this particle? One is F vector and this mg. So F vector plus mg vector is equal to 0. F vector is V vector cross A vector. So V vector cross A vector plus mg vector is, I can represent this vector as magnitude into unit vector acting in this direction, that is minus j vector, that is equal to 0. Now the definition of this cross product V vector cross A vector is modulus of V vector into modulus of A vector sin theta n cap. I am going to take this mg minus j vector in that direction. So I will get minus mg into minus j vector. So V vector cross A vector sin theta n cap minus into minus plus mg j vector. Now I am going to take vector modulus on both the sides. So when you take modulus of unit vector, that is going to be n. So n cap is 1 and j vector is going to be 1. So modulus of E vector, modulus of vector V A sin theta, that is equal to mg. We need velocity. So V is equal to mg by A sin theta. It is given that velocity should be minimum. In order that velocity should be minimum, then sin theta should be maximum. We will get sin theta maximum at 90 degree. So theta is equal to 90 degree. So sin 90 degree is going to be 1. So V is equal to mg by A. This is the minimum velocity that the particle should be. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the direction of the V vector. We are taken that angle between V and A. Here it is A. The angle between V and A we are taken as 90 degree. So this is the 90 degree. So the velocity will be in the z axis. According to cross product, the resultant of two vectors should be perpendicular to the two vectors. Here the two vectors are V vector and A vector. A vector is in this direction x axis and V vector we have found that is going to be act in the z axis. So the resultant F vector, which we assume to be in the y axis, is correct because this F vector is perpendicular to x axis and also this is perpendicular to velocity vector.